Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, terminal access and Homebrew. Open Terminal now. Once done, install Homebrew if it's not present. This gives you a reliable package manager. Make sure to run Brew update after installation. Next, install Python 3 with Brew install Python. This keeps the system Python untouched. You're doing this because Homebrew installs isolated, updatable versions. Finally, verify installation with Python 3 version, and which Python 3 so you know the exact path to use later. Once Python is installed, create a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. Run Python 3 mvenv-name, then activate it with source venv-name /bin/activate. This prevents package conflicts and keeps projects reproducible. Next, upgrade pip, setup tools, and wheel for smooth installs. Pip install upgrade pip setup tools wheel because older installers can fail. When working on projects, manage packages with requirements. txd, pip install R requirements. txd to reproduce environment. To run code, use Python 3 script. Py or Python 3m module when invoking packages directly. This ensures the interpreter in your path runs the correct environment. If a command fails, check path in your shell config file like /, zshrc or /, bash profile, and make sure which Python 3 points to the Homebrew path. If things still break, recreate the virtual environment or reinstall Python via Brew. This often clears corrupted packages and path mismatches. One quick troubleshooting tip: deactivate, delete venv, then recreate it to resolve many issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.